So friends, have you ever thought, why can't you write sentences yourself? After reading grammar for many years, very confusing, no? Hello everyone, this is Mahbub here. A very good evening, and I welcome you to this YouTube channel known as Reach and Learn. Today in this video, I will share with you something which will help you to develop sentences. Right? You might have been taught grammar for years, yet so far you don't understand how to apply whatever you have learned in grammar while writing sentences. Isn't it very confusing? Yes, it is confusing, right? I felt so. I felt. So I just want you to learn something which will finally help you to develop sentences easily. And it is what? Friends, you all might have been taught parts of speech many times. I also have taught parts of speech. Okay, if you haven't watched the video, you can click on the I button and just watch this to learn parts of speeches. Friends, using parts of speeches, how can one develop sentences is to be shared with you today. I will share with you I will share with you some ways of arranging words so that we can develop sentences. So the first one is, if we arrange words this way, we can develop sentences. The first one is noun plus verb. It means if you arrange noun and verb together, you can make a sentence. How it is? Let's see. Rahul plays. In it, Rahul is a noun, plays is a verb. Together with, they make a sentence, and it is Rahul plays. Similarly, you can make Geeta dances. Okay, Sunil sings, Deb eats, etc., etc. So this way you can develop, you can make sentences. This one is for all. For this, keep watching Reach and Learn. Every single day I will share with you one way. So to develop your speaking skill, to develop your writing skill, you must watch Reach and Learn, and you must watch the videos I have been uploading. Right? Thank you so much for watching. I will again come back tomorrow. Till then, do enjoy. Thank you.